Welcome to Odisha Real Estate Regulatory Authority ORERA 2.2 application, an online portal for registering real estate agents in Odisha with respective information. The application enables the eligible real estate agents in Odisha to register their profile, address, IT return company and other information in the application online and then apply for registration certificate of real estate agents. Let's understand how to register as agent user in ORERA 2.2 application. For getting started with the application, enter the website link in the browser and land on the landing page of the website. The landing page features link to About Us, Tender, Download, Agent, Complaint and Login links. Click on the respective link and navigate to designated pages. Now, scroll down to Agent Corner where link to Guidance for Agent, Real Estate Agent List, Login and Register as Agent is provided. Let's begin with New Agent Registration. Click on the link and navigate to the Agent Login. Enter the mobile number and click on Generate OTP button. Enter the one-time password received to the mobile number. On successful validation of the OTP, get navigated to the agent registration form and provide the details about the agent profile, agent, IT returns and submit documents. Profile details. Add the basic information, that is the type of applicant's entity, whether individual or company or others, and then provide the related information in the application. Select the agent type to be registered from the menu option as individual or trust or government agency or society or private company or partnership or proprietary firm. If the agent is an individual, then select the applicant entity as individual from the drop-down and provide the profile details. Enter the name of the agent, click on the camera option and upload the passport size photograph of the agent in either JPG, PNG or JPEG format. Make sure the image uploaded is in passport size and should be of 1 MB file size and shows the face clearly. Add the name of the father. The mobile number is auto-fetched. Enter the email address for communication purpose and click on Verify Email button to receive a one-time password and validate the email ID. Enter the OTP received in the text box provided and click on Verify OTP button. If the user wants to change the email ID entered, then click on Change Email button to re-enter the new email ID and receive an OTP to the ID. After successful validation, select either yes or no option and confirm whether the agent is registered to real estate in any other state or not. If yes option is chosen, then select the state name to which the agent is registered. Enter the registration number, upload the certificate of registration in either JPG, JPEG, PNG or PDF file format and make the file size within 1 MB only. Click on Save and Continue button. On submission, navigate to add the agent details. Next is Trust. If the agent to be registered belongs to a trust, select the trust as applicant entity from the drop-down and provide required information. Enter the name of the trust in the text box. Select the name of the position occupied by the agent in the trust. The mobile number is auto-filled. Enter the mobile number. A one-time password is sent to the email ID. Enter the OTP and validate the email ID. Select from either yes or no option and confirm whether the agent is registered to real estate in other state or not. If yes is selected, then select the name of the state, enter the registration number, followed by uploading the document of registration in the suggested file format. Now click on Save and Continue button. If the agent to be registered belongs to a government organization, then select government agency as applicant entity from the drop-down and provide the required information. Enter the name of the government agency in the text box. Select the name of the position occupied by the agent in the government agency. The mobile number is auto-filled. Enter the email ID. A one-time password is set to the email ID. Enter the OTP and validate the email ID. Select from either yes or no option and confirm whether the agent is registered to real estate in other state or not. If yes is selected, then select the name of the state. Enter the registration number followed by uploading the document of the registration in the suggested file format and click on Save and Continue button. If the agent to be registered belongs to a society, select the society as applicant entity from the drop-down and provide the required information. Enter the name of the society in the text box. Select the name of the position occupied by the agent in the society. The mobile number is auto-filled. Enter the email ID. A one-time password is sent to the email ID. Enter the OTP and validate the email ID. Select from either yes or no option and confirm whether the agent is registered to a real estate in other state or not. If yes is selected, then select the name of the state. Enter the registration number followed by uploading the document of registration in the suggested file format. Click on Save and Continue button. If the agent to be registered belongs to a private company, select the private company as entity type from the drop-down and provide the required information. For individual agent type, after adding the profile information, provide information about the agent's identity and address for communication. Enter the valid PAN card number. Upload the soft copy of the PAN card document in the suggested file format. Click on Choose File option and select the file from the system to be uploaded. Once uploaded, user has the option to delete and download the document. Click on Delete icon to delete the file or click on Download icon to download the file uploaded. Now enter the valid GSTIN number. Upload the soft copy of the GST certificate in suggested file format. Enter the landline number if any. Make sure all the field marks with asterisks are mandatory. Add registered address details. Select the ownership type of the registered address of communication first. If the agent is the owner of the address provided, then select the ownership as the authorization of the property. Enter the flat number or plot number or house number. Enter the name of the building or apartment. Enter the name of the area, street, sector or village. Enter the name of the town or city. Enter the PIN code of the location. On entering the PIN code, the name of the street and district is auto-fetched. Select the proof of address from the provided option such as gas pipeline, electricity bill, land passbook, bank passbook or water bill. On selection, upload the soft copy of the address proof selected in the suggested file format only. Now, if the agent is staying on rent in the registered address, then select rented as the authorization of the property. Enter the name of the owner. Enter the mobile number of the owner. Upload the rent agreement in the suggested file format only. Enter the flat number, plot number or house number. Enter the name of the building or apartment. Enter the name of the area, street or sector or village. Enter the name of the town or city. Enter the PIN code of the location. On entering the PIN code, the name of the state and district is auto-fetched. Select the proof of address from the provided option. On selection, upload the soft copy of the address proof in the suggested file format only. Add correspondence address detail. Select from either yes or no option and confirm whether the correspondence and registered address of communication are same or not. If the address of communication is different, then select no option and provide the address details. Select the ownership type as owner or rented. If the property is on rent, then provide the respective owner and address detail. Or else, if the agent is an owner of the property, then provide the address information of the place. For rented property, enter the name of the owner, enter the mobile number of the owner, upload the rent agreement in the suggested file format only. Enter the flat number, plot number or house number, enter the name of the building or apartment, enter the name of the area, street, sector or village, enter the name of the town or city, enter the PIN code of the location. On entering the PIN code, the name of the state and district is auto-filled. Select the proof of address from the provided option. Upload the soft copy of the address proof selected in the suggested file format only. Now, if the agent wants to move back to the previous section to update some information, then click on the previous button and go back. Or click on Save as Draft button to save the registration form in the draft format. Doing so, a confirmation message appears on the display screen. Or confirm the saving procedure. Now the application is saved in a draft format and visible in My Application. If all the field information provided are correct, then click on Save and Continue button. On clicking, get navigated to add the IT return section. If the applicant is in trust, then enter the valid PAN card number. Upload the soft copy of the PAN card document in the suggested file format. Enter the valid GSTIN number and upload the soft copy of the GST certificate in the suggested file format. Enter the valid CIN or registration number and upload the soft copy of the CIN or registration certificate. Add details of the major activities associated with the group. Upload the soft copy of the major activities document in the file format suggested. Add the website address, enter the email or landline number. Add the particulars of registration. Upload the certificate of registration as per law. Upload the memorandum of association. Upload the article of association. Make sure all the files uploaded are in suggested file format only and are mandatory to be uploaded. Add the registered address detail. Select the ownership type of the registered address of communication. If the agent is the owner of the registered address, then select the ownership as the authorization of the property. Enter the flat number, plot number or house number. Enter the name of the building or apartment. Enter the name of the area, street, sector or village. Enter the name of the town or city. Enter the PIN code. On entering the PIN code, the name of the state and district is auto-fetched. Select the proof of address from the provided option. Upload the soft copy of the proof of address. Add the correspondence address details. If the address of correspondence and registered address are same, then click on Yes option to confirm. If both addresses are different, then select No option and provide the details of the ownership type, flat number, name of the building, apartment, etc. Now click on Save and Continue button and proceed to add the ID return details. Add all the information and respective documents related to income tax return filed by the applicant in the last 3 financial years. Select the document type as ITR for FY 2023 to 2024 or FY 2022 to 2023 or FY 2021 to 2022 or affidavit cum declaration if the ITR file document is not available under the document type. Based on the document type selected, upload the soft copy of the document in the suggested file format only. Once all the field details are filled successfully, click on Save and Continue button or click on Previous button to go to the previous page or click on Save as Draft button to save the details in the draft format. Now, on successful submission, move to add any additional document if the applicant is an individual. In case the applicant belongs to any trust or group, then provide the information of the board of directors of the trust. Click on Add button, add the name of the member of the board of directors, upload a passport size photograph of the member in the suggested file format only. Select the position or designation of the member in the board from the options provided as Managing Director, Director, Partner, MC Member, Proprietor, Competent Authority, Secretary, or Trustee. If the member is the Director of the board, then provide the member ID. If the member is the Managing Director, Partner, MC, Proprietor, Competent Authority, Secretary, Trustee in the board, then provide the PAN card number only. Upload the soft copy of the PAN card of the member, enter the email ID, enter the mobile number, enter the education qualification, enter the work experience details in the text box. Add the address detail, enter the flat number, plot number or house number, enter the name of the building or apartment, enter the name of the area, street, sector or village, enter the name of the town or city, enter the PIN code of the location. On entering the PIN code, the name of the state and district is auto-selected. Click on Add Member button to add the member information. If the user wants to add multiple member details, then click on Add button and provide the required information as already explained. The information added for the member is displayed in the same section with option to edit or delete the information. To update the member information, click on the edit icon. To delete the member information from the list, click on the delete icon. If all the information added are correct, then click on Save and Continue button and move to provide additional document if any. If there are any additional documents to be required for RERA registration, then provide the additional document details in the attached document section. Click on the Add button if there are any additional documents to be uploaded. Enter the name of the document. Upload the soft copy of the document in suggested file format. To add the document and view in a table format, click on the Add button. Add an explanatory note of the document uploaded. Click on Save and Continue button and move further to preview the application details. Before the final submission, the applicant needs to abide by certain regulatory acts. Take a look into the details furnished in the preview section. Check into the profile information, address detail, IT return information, board of director information if the applicant is a part of a trust, attached document and explanatory note for additional document in the preview section before finally submitting the application. Before proceeding to submit, tick the checkbox and confirm the declaration mentioned that the details provided are accurate and based of your knowledge and belief and nothing material has been concealed. Next to that, tick the checkbox and confirm the self-declaration mentioned that the applicant solemnly abides by law of anti-money laundering and countering the finance of terrorism guidelines and compliances with the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Once all the information is verified successfully, on successful submission, proceed to pay for the applicable charges. Or click on Previous button to go to the previous page, or click on Save as Draft button to save the details in the draft format. Navigate to the Payment Gateway page to proceed to make payment, or click on Cancel button to cancel the payment and go back to the previous section. On confirmation only, the system redirects the applicant to the Payment Gateway page. Select the preferred mode of payment from the options provided and make payment. Once the payment is successfully done, a confirmation message appears on the display screen. Click on the Print Payment Receipt button to take a printout of the receipt generated. Click on Save button to save the printed receipt. Next is Login. If the agent user is already registered in the application, click on the login link provided in the Agent Corner section of the home page. On clicking the Login button, navigate successfully to the Agent Login section. Enter the mobile number, then click on Generate OTP button. Validate the one-time password received to the registered mobile number and log in successfully. My application. View the list of the application applied for RERA certification with current status and option to take action in the My Application link. Search any specific application by entering the application number or certificate number in the search box provided in this section, or click on the filter button. An option to filter the record data appears. Enter the application number, select the payment status from the drop down, select the application status, select the application form and to date line from the calendar control and click on search button. Now click and expand the take action icon. An option to view the edit agent details, view agent details and delete agent details appear. Edit agent details. In case the application is saved in draft format or need any update, then click on Edit Agent Details option. Navigates user to the agent information in the application again. Update the information and save the same. Delete agent details. To delete the agent information from the list of applications shown in the My Application section, click on the Delete Agent option. After making payment for the fee charge, the application is submitted finally and not eligible for editing and deleting. View agent details. For detailed view of the agent registration application, click on the View Agent Details option. View money received. To view the money receipt generated after payment, click on View Money Receipt button. The agent user needs to make payment for the fee charged once the agent registration request is approved at the authority end. Click on Pay Now button. Click on Proceed to Payment button to make payment. On successful payment, get navigated to the confirmation section. After the certificate has been issued, click on the View Certificate option provided under the Action option. Log out. To log out from the application, click and expand the profile icon, then click on the Logout option provided. On clicking the Logout button, a confirmation alert appears on the display screen. Click on Yes Logout button to confirm and log out from the application, or click on Cancel button to cancel and go back. This is all about agent registration in the ORERA 2.0 application. Hope the video guide helped in understanding the process and flow in a detailed manner. Thanks for watching this video.